Even if you are the most gorgeous person in the world, your reputation will instantly drop if you have foul breath, body odor, or a poor odor. What's worse is that most people are too polite to mention unpleasant or unusual odors. Thus, some men can genuinely spend countless years of their lives smelling awful and never even realize it. This video will teach you how to smell wonderful all the time. Maintaining proper hygiene is a reflection of your self-worth, and having a pleasant scent makes you and everyone around you feel respected and proud. Let's get started. If the title of this video made you think of something pleasant, it would be me. When I take a shower and put on deodorant, you don't give this enough thought. Contrary to popular belief, a lot more than just your surroundings and head to toe can influence how you smell. Let's begin. Regardless of how often you shower or how much cologne you use, your surroundings can actually have a big influence on how you smell. If your home has a particular smell, such as from cooking certain foods or smoking cigarettes, the smell will eventually get on your clothes and follow you everywhere. Other factors include having dirty bed linens, which will also cause the smell to stick to everything you wear and make you smell bad. Thus, the lesson here is to tidy up and eliminate all odors from your living area. Make sure your washing machine is kept clean and in good working order, and that your bed linens are spotless. Let's chat about you now. Maintaining clean teeth, face, and hair are the most crucial things to remember here. Your body takes longer to start smelling than these little regions. Generally speaking, you should focus your attention on the area where you perspire and produce the most oil. Starting with the mouth. Probably the most crucial component of having a clean mouth is flossing. The most crucial step in maintaining fresh breath is to physically remove leftover food before it spoils. But in addition, make sure you always use a tongue scraper to wipe your tongue. Use a mouthwash without alcohol and brush your teeth. The hair comes next. Hair is perhaps one of the least obvious areas that smells terrible the fastest. Most people seldom give it much thought, and since many people shampoo every day, you usually don't have to. While going too long without shampooing might cause your hair to smell awful, I do not recommend shampooing your hair too frequently because it dries it out and depletes it of the natural oils that keep it looking nice and shiny. In this case, using a co-wash is the solution. Co-washing is the practice of washing your hair exclusively with conditioner. If your hair is thinner and finer, you should use a lighter conditioner for co-washing. You would use a thicker conditioner when shampooing if your hair were thicker. Try to shampoo every 2 to 3 days. Many men avoid cleaning their bodies in some areas for unknown reasons. If you don't want to wear cologne, you should choose between these two body washes: an exceptionally high-quality, wonderful-smelling body wash, or a dermatologist-recommended scent-free body wash. Steer clear of body washes from the cheap drugstore that are overly scented. I also believe that every man ought to have a bidet. There's no excuse, no matter how modern, for you to go without a bidet. It will fundamentally alter your life. They are incredibly affordable and simple to install in almost any bathroom. Colognes and deodorants come next. You can use pretty much anything as deodorant. You really can't go wrong with gel-based deodorant because it doesn't leave white stains on my clothes, which is why I prefer it. This can get a little trickier when it comes to cologne. Smelling awful doesn't always translate into wearing the wrong cologne in the wrong situation. Make sure the cologne you're recycling is appropriate for the occasion and that you're not applying too much cologne. Avoid going to the gym while wearing a spicy wood cologne. When it comes to cologne, I always choose a high-quality scent over a cheap one. Tom Ford, Biardo, Maison Margiela, and Creed are a few of my favorite labels. They are renowned for creating perfumes that last a long time, and I would rather buy one pricey cologne than 5 inexpensive ones that smell artificial. That's all I have to say for now. Stay blessed and stay tuned. Good luck.